we've been doing beadwork. And today is a very sunny day, and mine is in a code, and this is the code I used. You might have seen this code before because it's called Morse Code. And guess which, if it's a number or a letter, and which one I did. And the white is spaces and there's also a space on the very end of it, and also the winner gets their own. But actually, it's for their. Oh, and you also have to comment down below if you're a girl or not. Okay. If you comment down if you're a boy, you'll get a necklace. And it says the same thing mine says. And yeah. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit that bell for notifications.